Well, today we are talking about something that many of you quietly struggle with. You have an iPhone. You also use a Windows PC. And at some point, you just want to move a file between them without cables, without paid software, and without that feeling that you were doing something wrong. So we walk through a few very practical ways to transfer any file from iPhone to Windows PC easily. These are the easiest way to transfer files and, yes, reliable. Let's get started. Starting with the first method, which is a local network folder on Windows. This one feels technical at first, but once it is set up, it becomes very reliable. Also, it works fully offline, which means no internet is required once both devices are on the same Wi-Fi network. So first, we need to create a separate user on your Windows PC. We are doing this on Windows 11, but the same idea works on other versions too. On your PC, go to the search bar and type Add, Edit, or Remove Other Users. Open that option. Now click where it says Add Someone Else to this PC. Windows will try to push you toward a Microsoft account, but we do not need that here. So click where it says I do not have this person's sign-in information. On the next screen, choose Add a User without a Microsoft account. Now give this user a name. Add a password that you can remember easily. This part matters, so write it down somewhere safe. You will also answer the security questions, and then click Next. At this point, the new user is ready. That is step 1 done. Next, create a folder that will act as a bridge between your iPhone and your PC. Go to your desktop and create a new folder. You can name it anything that makes sense to you. Once the folder is created, right-click on it and open Properties. Go to the Sharing tab, and then click Advanced Sharing. In the new window, check the box that says Share this folder. Now click on Permissions. In the Permissions window, click Add. In the box, type the username you just created. Click Check Names and then click OK. Now allow full control for this user. Click Apply and then OK. After that, go back to the Sharing tab and click Share. From the drop-down list, select the user and give it both read and write permission. Click Share and close all the windows. And the folder is fully ready to accept files. Now comes the connection part from the iPhone. On your iPhone, open the Files app. Tap the 3 dots on the top right corner and choose Connect to Server. Here, you need your PC's local IP address. To find that, go back to your PC and search for Network and Internet. Open it, click Properties, make sure your network profile is set to private, and scroll down until you see the IPv4 address. Go back to your iPhone and type that IP address into the server field. When it asks for login details, choose Registered User. Enter the username and password you created earlier. Tap Next. Now you're connected. You'll see the shared folder appear inside the Files app. If you drop any file into the folder on your PC, you can access it on your iPhone. You can view it or copy it into your phone's storage. And it also works the other way around. Copy any file from your iPhone into that folder, and it will appear on your PC instantly. One important thing to mention here is that creating a new user is optional. If you already know your main Windows user password, you can skip that step and use your existing account. The setup stays almost the same, so you can choose what feels comfortable for you. Now let us talk about a much simpler option, which is Local Send. This one feels more like a modern app experience. You download Local Send on your Windows PC from their website. On your iPhone, you install it from the App Store. Once both apps are open and both devices are on the same Wi-Fi network, they find each other automatically. From the device that has the file, tap Send. Choose the file from Photos or Files. You'll see the other device appear on the screen. Tap it, confirm the transfer, and that's it. The file moves directly between devices over your local network. No account, no login, and no cloud involved. It's simple, fast, and very easy to repeat anytime. Now, there's another option that works directly in your browser, and this one surprises a lot of people. It's called PairDrop. On your Windows PC, open a browser and go to pairdrop.net. That's all. You'll see a clean page. At the bottom, click Edit and give your PC a name. Now on your iPhone, open a browser and go to the same website. Make sure both devices are on the same network. After a second, your PC will appear on your iPhone screen. You can rename your iPhone too for easy recognition. Now, to send a file from PC to iPhone, drag the file onto the iPhone icon on your PC screen. Your iPhone will ask for permission. Tap Accept, and the transfer starts. Once it finishes, download the file. Now, you might wonder how this works and whether it's safe. PairDrop uses a browser technology called WebRTC. This allows devices on the same network to talk directly to each other. Your files don't go to a server, they stay local. Also, the project is open source, which means anyone can inspect how it works. So when we look at all these methods together, the idea becomes clear. You don't need cables or paid software, and no need to feel stuck. Just choose the method that matches your comfort level. If you like control and structure, the shared folder works great. If you want simplicity, Local Send is very friendly. And if you want zero installation, PairDrop is right there. That was all. Thanks for watching. Share your thoughts in the comments. And if you found it helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more videos.